Good morning, beautiful people. I have my little friend Dusty here, and he, of course, is a cockatiel. He's a normal gray cockatiel. This is just like the little cockatiels that you find wild in Australia. But he is extra special because he's mine, and I love him. And he talks, and he sings, and he whistles, and he can be kind of cantankerous. So he's a lot like me. I just love him. We have the little babies that we're going to feed today, the little baby cockatiels, the little ringnecks. They're weaned. They don't want to be fed. The doves are weaned. Just got the little baby cockatiels right now. That's all we have. So, sure wish that Dusty would sing for us. That's me, of course. You want to sing? Lolita can sing. Lolita's our big Amazon. She sings opera. La 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 la. Say, hey buddy. Lolita's just off camera right there. She's the big green scary bird. She doesn't play nicely with the other birds. She's an Amazon parrot, and they're kind of like that. So yeah, let's feed the little babies. They're hungry this morning. So like always, we're going to start with a cup of hot water and an empty cup. We're going to put the dry formula powder in there. Dusty, dude, what are you doing? I get the bag. It's like an 11-pound bag. It comes out of Canada, so it's in kilograms, but it's about 11 pounds. I think. Don't hold me to that. There's a link to it down in the description. It is the Hagen's by the Tropican, made by the Hagen company. It comes in an 11-pound bag, and I can put half of it into that little storage container, and the other half we put in the deep freezer. I'm just stirring it up with the tip on the syringe. Like all my videos, I show that is a flexible tip on the syringe. Now, I've added just a little bit too much water. That's not going to be an issue as long as you don't do it this thinly. You don't want it to be this thin every time you feed the baby birds, and normally I don't. And so we are okay. I'm going to go ahead and move some of this out of the way. Both of the parents to these little birds are pearl pied. And so I'm hoping that all of the babies will turn out to be pearl pied. You can see they're getting the yellow on the crest and the wings. They're getting yellow pied colorations on the wings. They're still scrawny little things. They look like the skekkies from the Dark Crystal. And they make these horrible noises. You hear that? You want some more, baby? Huh? But cockatoos are a lot of fun to have, a lot of fun to raise. They easy to keep. They don't like to eat a lot of fruit, so pellets and seeds and green leafy vegetables are going to be their go-to. They like broccoli, and they love collards and turnip greens and dark leaf lettuces, escarole, kale, all those kinds of things. Any of the Asian green leafy things like bok choy or mizuno, whatever it is that you may have, those are the kinds of things that they're going to want to eat. Come here. You want to see the babies? You want to see the babies? Huh? You see the babies? You see the babies? You don't care, do you? You just want us on my shoulder, as far away from them as possible, right? You're a funny little bird. You're a funny little bird. There. What do you think? Huh? He's talking to them. He's just climbing back up on my shoulder. Here, stay down here. Stay down here. What do you think? Now, y'all can't feed each other. Y'all aren't mommies and daddies. Y'all hear him talking to them? Cockatiels don't talk like African greys or Amazon parrots or macaws or cockatoos. They're small birds and they have small voices. You see the good bird? You see the good bird? He's saying you're such a good bird. Isn't that cute? Now, of course, he is not the daddy to these babies. Be nice. You better be nice. We have to love the babies. Now please don't get concerned that the babies are going to get cold. It is still July in Alabama. It is hotter than the first 3 yards of hell. And so there is absolutely no possibility that they're going to get too cold right now. We'll be nice to the babies. We'll be nice to the babies. See? We'll be nice. I have the air conditioner and all the fans turned off. Well, that's it, guys. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that you support our channel. Check out those links down in the description. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Find us on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and Twitter. Where you going, Dusty Man? Well, God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye. He's the cameraman, man. Say something funny. Lolita. Lolita. La 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 la. La 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 la. Call Daniel. Where's Daniel?